Hi, today in front of you Motorola Moto G13 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock works here correct and fast. We just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful because the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.